Here it is, the fridge that became the Christmas tree for our home. We decided to decorate it all around because it just occupied too much space and we haven't found somebody to buy it, although we do have some potential buyers. But we can't sell it right now because it is full of Santa Claus boxes. He came at night and filled up the fridge. And the fridge is full of gifts. It cannot be sold right now. That's right. This is the fridge that and this little doggy right here, he's protecting the gifts from Santa and the kitty that wants to help the doggy. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. This is Cinnamon. Hi, kitty. Are you protecting the fridge too? Just in case there's something here for you. So this fridge has a bottom freezer. And guess what? It's full of Santa gifts. That's right. That's what happens. And Santa also left us some snowballs to fight with. And some special little boxes down here. Ooh. Ooh. This is the fridge that became our family's Christmas tree for this season until it's hopefully sold. We'll find a buyer. We've got some already. Oopsies. I think the fridge is trying to retire from this position. We have already potential buyers, but kind of got stuck with it right now, so we cannot sell it right now. It's still serving a purpose. The purpose of holding the Christmas gifts. Ta-da! Yeah, I know. You like it, huh? You like the Christmas tree. Oh, fridge, you are a beautiful Christmas tree. Oh, fridge, you make a beautiful Christmas tree. You hold on to the gifts all night and secretly get packed through the night. Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Oh, look at that. There's a real Christmas tree. Because the fridge occupied the space of our Christmas tree, a real Christmas tree, we could only put up a little Christmas tree. Thank you for watching.